In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for free without logging in, step by step. This is a quick and simple method if you want to try ChatGPT instantly without creating an account or signing in first. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any browser you already have on your device. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type ChatGPT. Then press Enter and look for the official ChatGPT website in the search results. Make sure you click on the correct result so you're opening the real ChatGPT page and not a random copy or unrelated site. After the page loads, you should see the ChatGPT interface. Now, here's the important part. Do not log in. If you see a sign-in button, just ignore it for this method. Instead, go straight to the message box and start typing anything you want. For example, you can type, "Explain AI in simple terms." You can also ask it questions, request summaries, or generate ideas, just like you normally would. After typing your prompt, press Enter and wait for ChatGPT to respond. Within a few seconds, you should see an answer appear on the screen. This means you've successfully used ChatGPT without logging in. The best part is that this method is fast and easy, especially if you only need a quick answer and don't want to go through the sign-up process. You can repeat the same steps anytime you want to use it again. Just open your browser, search for ChatGPT, click the official site, skip the login, and start typing your prompt. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets me bring you more simple guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.